Question: 8 years from now, Rose will be 42 years old. How old was she 28 years ago? We can form an equation with the Thomson's simple equation rule, which brings it to this and solved as follows. What if I told you the reason you may be struggling to understand how the equation was formed is because you can't pronounce this word? Oh, you did. Actually, it is not about saying it. It is because you can't see the ras rat roof raft in the question, and that's where everything begins. As I read the question, I had ras in mind. I call it the ras read. It helps me to tell what type of question it is: actionable, sketchable, or a statement. In this case, the question gives a strong sense of reality, so I see it as actionable, and that helped me form a clear picture in my mind. As I read through the question again, I had rat in mind. I call it the rat read. This helps me spot arithmetic terms, words that carry mathematical meaning. In this case, I spotted just word, and I took note of its mathematical meaning. And as I read through again, I had roof in mind. I call it the roof read. This helped me spot unknown values, the presence of a quantity that isn't known yet. In this case, I saw it as her present age, so I tagged it as R. Finally, as I read through one last time, I had RAF in mind. I call it the RAF read. This helped me pull out actual facts, the things we can now say for sure from the situation. One clear fact is that the Thomson's simple equation rule is at play here, specifically the adds-on rule, where Q can be identified as quantity, and N as non-repeated scenario, and T as total, which brings it to this and solved as follows.